Hello, my name is Asbidyarthy. I have been doing practice in the IT development sector for more than 10 years. I am specialized in NoSQL database, vector database, and graph database, especially design, development, management, scale, and API endpoints. In vector database, I have been doing practice with databases such as Quadrant, Elasticsearch, Pinecone, and more. In graph database, I have been doing practice with neo4j, GraphQL, Cypher Queries, memgraph, Genius Graph, and many more solutions available in knowledge database. In NoSQL, I've been doing practice with MongoDB, Airtable, Solr, BigQuery, and many more. Let me know if you need any of these solutions. I can jump into a call with you to explore synergies and how I can expedite the further solutions and your business. Thank you.